You'll recall a few years ago the first seasons of Riverview restoration, in which we refurbished a waterfront cottage on the shores of the Pamlico in eastern North Carolina. So much fun. So much amazing. You may remember Jack Campbell, our contractor.
Jack Campbell will do you well.
Jack.
Don't be putting that shit on Facebook.
And his sidekick, Geronimo. I'm not kidding. That's actually his name. And when he jumps into the water, he yells his own name. Wouldn't that be cool? Well, these goofballs are coming back in a new installment of Riverview Restoration, Kitchen Chronicles. This time it's in our home, not the cottage 2 doors down. The goal is to transform a central part of our lives into a space that can fit more than one person at a time. And maybe, just maybe in the process, we'll clean out a few dead mice. We're starting this project as a hurricane is forming in the Gulf and probably headed our way. But you know Shelley and Biff, we laugh in the face of danger. Shelley is conveniently jetted off to Chicago for a business meeting all week, where she's doing her little Machiavellian thing and pounding white wine as if prohibition starts again tomorrow. Biff is left to his own devices with his trusty sidekick, Huckleberry Darkstar. Huck seems unperturbed as long as he's fed, gets a milk bone twice a day from his neighbor Carol, and gets a good neck scratch in the morning. So, let's get started, shall we? So it begins. Any big project requires blood splatter, barriers, and that's what we've got going on here in the main house. Did I say blood splatter? I meant dust, because this is all coming down to be replaced with a wonderful new kitchen that will fit more than 2 people. Temporary kitchen of sorts. Wash station and everything. And then when you're displaced from your kitchen, you get to come up with new ways to have breakfast. Don't we, Huck, wherever you are in there? Not a bad view though.
Demo, baby, demo. I got the joint back here. I just set one of these joints. Look at that. Are these centered right? Or can we go here and here and then center one here?
No going back now. The coffee maker that isn't standard in the United States.
No.
There's a copper pipe.
Leak up there. Get
Tiger
that.
bite on there.
Yeah, maybe that. But sometimes
Solid.
you solder it. Most times you solder it.
Get this nasty shit out of here.
Yeah.
Because I got your power box in there somewhere, and I got to get a wire from your panel box to your oven.
Yeah.
And we're doing away with this one, so we don't need that no more.
Right.
Oh, no.
Hey! Hey!
There are geniuses
Alright.
tearing up the floor. You haven't found any blood stains, have you?
Not yet.
Okay. All right. Well, let me know. Just keep it between us.
Closer to my ugly hand? I'm kidding. Don't look at my nails. Well, I haven't had my nails done because of the virus. But all of these are fire ant bites, and I guess I'm allergic.
Well, you know, in these kinds of situations, just call Jack.